Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the FIFA Plus app to your Hisense Smart TV. This is quite easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install the Vida Plus app, you have to start by making sure that the application is not yet automatically installed on your Hisense Smart TV. If it's not, go over to your App Store, and this is what you will do once you go over to your App Store to get the application. Once you're here, just wait for it to launch. It takes a while, please. Now, once your App Store has launched like mine, you can browse through by coming over to the sport categories of apps, and you see the application there. Just go over, search for sports. So here's it, and you see the application here. I can just go over it and click on it and install. And this is how easy it is to install the application to your Hisense Smart TV. Once it's installed this FIFA Plus, you can choose where to position it on your Vida TV. And that's it, as easy as that. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.